In this quick video, we are going to explore the options and process for accessing the Yourself system from the office or home. Please note that you need to be a staff member and have been granted access to the system in order to proceed. When on the Staff Central homepage, you can find the link under Applications on the left-hand menu. Alternatively, access it from the icon bar by clicking the Yourself logo along the top of the page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the latest news from the payroll team whilst on the page. Or you can find other helpful resources here too. Click the large Yourself icon to be directed to the application. You can still access Yourself when you are not in the office or connected to the office network. Simply go to our website at northlanddhb.org.nz and click the Staff Login button on the top right. Here you will find a couple of other useful tools that is available from outside our network, but for now click Yourself. From here, logging into Yourself follows the same procedure as when you are connected to the network, which we will cover next. Complete your credentials. Please note your username is your employee number and your current network password. Select the email address you want your multi-factor authenticator login code to be sent to. During busy times, getting this email can take a bit longer than expected. Proceed by clicking Login. Capture the login code you would have received in your preferred email and click Submit. If you have any queries, please email us, yourselfhr@northlanddhb.org.nz, or call us on extension 60305. Or find all the resources on the Yourself page on Staff Central.